Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are diving into a critical topic, the apparel tech pack. If you are a designer or someone interested in a fashion manufacturing, understanding the tech pack is an absolute game changer. It's the ultimate guide that takes you amazing outfit ideas and gives them a blueprint for success. Ready to break it down into this step? Let's go. Number 1. The cover page. Every great story starts with a beginning, and a tech pack is no different. The cover page introduces your design as a masterpiece, including style name and number. This is the unique identifier for your design. Seasons. It's for spring, summer, fall, or winter. Designer and brand info. Your name, contact details, and brand logo. Ensure your vision is communicated clearly. Number 2. Sketches. Bringing your vision to life. Sketches are the heart and soul of your tech pack. They give the first glimpse into your creative genius. Flat sketches with front, back, and side view of your design. Clean and precise. Detailed view. Zoom in on key elements like seam, buttons, and stitchings. The more clarity you provide, the better your design will be executed. Remember, visual speak louder than word. Number 3. Next, we dive into the BOM or bill of materials. Think of this as your ingredient list for success. It includes fabric, trims, and all components of your garments. Detailed descriptions, code, color, size, and even suppliers. By being specific, you ensure there are no room for confusion. Perfection is the goal here. Number 4. Measurement and size chart. Fit is everything. A stunning design means nothing if doesn't fit well. Size chart includes detailed measurement for a size. Point of measurement. Show precisely where measurement should be taken. This section ensures everybody can rock your design with confidence. Number 5. Construction detail. Sowing the seed of success. This is where your design comes to life. Stitching method, double needle, batik, or serving, layout every details. Seam style, especially exactly how your garments is put together. With clear instruction, your garment will be constructed just as you envision. Number 6. Colorways. Adding vibrance and life. It injects some personality into the tech pack with colorways. This section showcases the fabulous color options for the design. Be specific with color codes like Pantone or custom specifications. This ensures every garment comes out as vibrant as you imagine. Number 7. Print and embellishment. Adding the wow factor. Time for the fun part. Prints, embroidery, and embellishment. This section maps out the placement, size, and technique for every details. Whatever it's screen printing, heat transfer, or intricate applique. This is where the design goes from fabulous to extraordinary. Number 8. Labels and packaging. Branding is matters. Your branding does not stop with the garment. It extended to the label and packaging. Include details like care label, hand tag, and packaging space, size, material, and placement. First impression are everything, and your branding needs to shine. Number 9. Prototyping and fit notes. Refining the vision. Prototyping brings your design into 3 dimensions. This section keeps track of fit comments and adjustment during the development process. It's all about continuous improvement to ensure your final garments fit like a dream. Number 10. Quality and delivery requirement. Finally, let's talk about quality control and delivery. Quality standard. Set acceptance tolerance for fabric defects. Deadline. Production timelines and shipping instruction. This ensures everything runs smoothly like a well-oiled machine. And that's a wrap on the amazing world of tech pack. This comprehensive guide is your secret weapons for seamless fashion production. Whether you are a budding designer or a seasoned professional, tech packs are an indispensable tool. If you are new to creating a tech packs or want to dive deeper, stay tuned with us. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what topic you would like me to cover in the next. Bye for now.